Word packing. I get asked all the time, should I word pack my resume? Yes, you should word pack your resume. And by that, I mean this. When there is a job description for a position that you are applying for, what you want to do is read the job description, compare it to your resume, and match the two as much as possible. That means that you're going to be rewriting your resume every time you apply for a job. This is true. It is work, but it's critically important. When you see in a job description a term like Microsoft Office, and in your resume you have Microsoft, you want to modify your resume to Microsoft Office. The reason for this is because the ATS software that is used for job searches and job search engines will pick up on the full description. If in the job description there is a request for $1 billion budgets, you need to have experience with $1 billion budgets, and you do, but your resume says $1 million plus budgets, you want to make sure that you modify your resume to include that. So absolutely modify your resume line by line to match that job description as it is accurate based upon your experience. Doing this exponentially increases the likelihood that you will be the selected candidate to interview for that job.